Morning. So today is Friday. Kaya ngayon lang ako pwede ulit mag take a video. So we're gonna drop off Ali first. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. And alam nyo na, after Allison, si Alea naman mamaya. And I don't know what else I'm gonna do today. So I'm gonna see what I can do, kung anong lulutuin ko for dinner tonight. And sobrang lamig, or matulog ulit. So coffee tayo. Good morning, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Okay. Alright now. Bye. See you later. Loki. Good morning, Loki.
Awami.
No.
Away.
No, it's okay. Good morning, Loki. Good morning, boy. Good morning, boy.
Dad, awami.
Huh?
Yeah.
No, Loki.
Hi.
Hi, Lily is going to school. Let's put jacket, Lily.
Okay.
Let's put jacket. I'll see you later, okay? I'll see you later, Loki. Okay, let's go.
Dad.
Okay, go. Go up.
You want to help me?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Thank you, Mom.
I love you, Lele.
I love you, Mom.
I love you too.
I love you too, Mom.
How about me?
No.
What?
You did it. Make it. Dad, what is it?
Yeah, you didn't give her medicine. I don't know.
Yeah, I know why.
Lily,
Huh?
you're the one who said later.
Okay. There. This is Dad and Mom. Okay, bye.
Guys, dito na tayo sa Ranch 99. Bibili na ako pang tinola. Yun ang lulutuin ko mamaya. May plastic ba ako dito? Sobrang lamig ngayon. Sobrang lamig. Tinola mix. bago natin sunduin si Alea, daan muna tayo sa McDonald's kasi nag-request yun ng McDonald's. Gusto daw niya ng chocolate milk, Happy Meal with chocolate milk. Yun ang favorite niya. Gusto niya palagi yung Happy Meal. So pag day off ako, talagang binibili ko siya ng McDonald's para mamaya happy yun pag sinundo mo sa school, and then makikita niya may McDonald's siya. So order muna tayo.
McDonald's would be using the mobile app today.
Yes.
Hi, my ticket.
9063.
Okay, you want a Happy Meal?
Yes, can I get a 6 pieces chicken nuggets, French fries, chocolate milk, sweet and sour sauce. Thank you. Okay, so maggas muna tayo, and then punta natin sa Lea. Ang lamig, sobrang lamig ngayon. What's wrong with my cup? Okay, gas muna tayo. Saan ba may space? Doon sa kabila. Mahal ng gas ngayon. Hindi na ako maglagay ng premium. Mahal. Plus na lang.
Dad.
Yes, Lay. Say hi.
Hi.
I'm back.
I'm back.
How's school?
Good.
Oh, you did a project. You had a project, Lay?
Yeah.
What's that? What do you call that project?
Digging my bed.
Huh?
Digging my bed.
Oh, your bed?
Yeah. How to go to do oils.
Okay.
Go that give it on you.
Miss Kokusa gave it to you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ow.
Okay, because we have to
My
wash it.
bed. Hey.
We have to wash it, that's why.
Yo. There's no way, Dad.
Hmm?
Dad, what do you put on? Right there.
Yeah, look what I got for you.
What?
Ta-da!
How about cooking milk?
How about what?
How about cooking milk?
Ta-da! Say thank you, Dad.
Oh, Dad, what is that?
Say I.
Dad, what is that?
What? Say I.
I love Kari, Baye, Mine.
Yay!
I love you, Dad.
I love you too, Lay. I miss you. I miss you.
Okay.
But Loki's at home. We're gonna tell them to meet Loki, okay?
Okay.
Say meet Loki.
Okay. I will not be
Guys, meron kaming bagong aso.
here. Hi.
Dati hindi ko pa napapakita yon kasi nung hindi na ako, ang tagal ko bago mag-upload kasi may for personal reason.
Hi.
So nakuha kami ng aso, nakaroon kami ng aso.
Dad.
So nakita nyo na kaninang umaga yon, kaninang una-una nandun siya. So ang pangalan niya ay Loki.
Dad.
Yes. What happened? Lalaki yung aso, ang pangalan niya ay Loki. Right, Lay?
No.
What his name?
No.
What is it? Loki.
No.
So pakilala ko sa inyo si Loki. Fun lang yun, guys. Binigay lang sa amin. Kasama ng asawa ko sa work. sabi niya kung gusto daw namin ng aso kasi ang dami na niyang aso. So kinuha namin. So una, pumunta yung panganay namin anak, pumunta doon, tingnan niya yung aso, tingnan niya kung okay ba sa kanya yung aso, tsaka kasi hindi sabi niya pagdating daw niya doon, talagang yung aso lumalapit kagad sa kanya. So ngayon sobrang close sa panganay namin. Doon siya natutulog sa room niya. Pag wala yon, talagang inaantay yon, nasa door lang yon, inaantay siya. So pakilala ko sa inyo, malapit na kami sa bahay, and then pakilala ko sa inyo. So hi Loki, say hi Loki, hi, come on Loki, Lily, come on Loki, up here, yay boy, yeah boy, yeah boy. How are you Loki? Huh? I gave you nuggets already, Loki. That's enough, okay? You ate nuggets already. You already ate nugget. Okay guys, nasa bahay na tayo. So this time magluto tayo ng tinola para sa dinner natin mamaya.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night, Mom.
Good night. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night.